Hey, so if Audacity is not recording audio on Windows 11, yeah, like you press record but nothing happens or the waveform stays flat, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure the correct microphone is selected. I mean, Audacity won't record if the wrong input device is chosen. Next, yeah, check Windows privacy settings. Your microphone access might be turned off. Now, change the audio host in Audacity. I mean, switching between MME and Windows WASAP, I can fix recording issues. Yeah, make sure recording channels are set correctly. Mono or stereo mismatch can sometimes break recording. Now, Windows sometimes locks the microphone. Disabling exclusive mode can fix that conflict. Yeah, audio services can freeze sometimes. Restarting them can restore recording functionality. Now, outdated drivers can stop recording completely. Updating them often fixes the issue. Yeah, corrupted settings in Audacity can block recording. Resetting preferences can fix it fast. If nothing works, reinstall Audacity. This resets everything and fixes broken configuration files. So yeah, that's how you fix Audacity not recording audio on Windows 11. Most of the time, it's microphone settings, permissions, or driver issues. Try these steps and your recording should work again. Thanks for watching.